Tuna Lifestyles Inc. presents Automotive Avenue, the car and bike show you cannot afford to miss. May 3rd from 12 p.m. to 7 p.m. at the Dominica Port Authority, Woodbridge Bay. Expect to see races, cars and bike stunts, fashion show and lots more. Bring your family and friends to see the hottest cars, bikes, buses, trucks and even boats. Music by DJs and live bands. Entrance fee is only $10. Security will be Obama tight. And don't forget the after party at Crazy Coconuts. Sponsored by Monster, T-Pex Color Lab, Xerox First Domestic, Pirates Limited, Raffles and Company 1985 Limited, Kyrie FM, Crazy Coconuts, Kubuli.